This is to inform you about a course that we're launching, which is basically XAT videos plus workshop plus mocks. People are preparing for XAT. We require the entire syllabus, including the video workshop. This is the course for you. We've been training since more than 23 years for management entrance examination, CAD, SAT, and entrance exam. If you're interested in any management entrance exam, including the IPMAT, BBA, post-12, you can contact us. So we do have courses for workshop for SAT, SNAP. Also, full course for the CAT 26 next year, CET 26. There are some short one-month courses for CAT 25 if you're interested. So also ZAT, basically if you get paper pattern, there is verbal decision making and content DI. Now, if you look at the examination which is there, if you particularly, you will realize that the cutoff basically will basically depend upon the verbal decision making and content DI. So there are three areas on which, based on which the cutoff will be determined. GK is a section which is only considered in the interview phase, so it's not considered during the cutoffs. Also, there is no negative mark for GK. The best way to prepare for GK is read the current affairs news that's happening. You will get quite a few questions there. But yes, the focus of this course will be the first three areas: the verbal decision making and content DI. As far as possible. So, course will include video that will cover the syllabus. 6 full-length mocks plus section test basically help you prepare for the examination. 10 sessions of live workshops. So we'll have live workshops for the course, which will be conducted by me and Roshil. And yeah, we will provide you individual guidance as to how to go about preparing for the examination. Right. So if you want to enroll for the course, contact us as 9821314788 or email to us. Or you can directly purchase the course at prep.practicalhindu.com. Right. We'll come up with video that will help you prepare for the examinations. So if you are giving any management entrance examination, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.